Hey, I'm always talking to you guys about things to prevent claims. I want to talk to you today about preventing something that's worse than a claim. That's damage to your house that isn't covered. I'm putting in a new shower in my bathroom, and what is covered under your policy if there's a sudden accidental discharge of water, like one of these pipes burst and it causes problems, that's covered. What's not covered is something that happens over, as a policy calls it, a period of days, weeks, months, or years. That happens so many times, I hear it all the time, when the shower pan fails. This is a new shower pan. My old shower pan had about a lead plate in here and then about 5 inches of concrete, and I had no leaking. This has been here for like 45 years. As you can see, this is the original wood. No leaking, but new stuff isn't always done that well, and there's cracks that occur in grout, and then it leaks down into the pan, and then it rots the wood, and that's not covered, and it's thousands of dollars. Here's a way to prevent that. This is a cultured marble pan. It is one piece. It's basically a piece of synthesized rock here, and it is impenetrable. It will not leak, and then we'll put the tile up behind this. Probably costs a little bit more, but it is well worth it. If you're interested in it, don't know anything about it, give me a call. If you need some help with your insurance, in North Carolina, it's Cline Hall, ClineHallAgency.com. We're on Arlington Boulevard in Greenville, 252-756-5200. Thanks.